Tatanta pa ako dito sa kabila. So this is the difference between iPhone 12 Pro Max and iPhone 16 Pro Max not fully paid. Alam, mas maganda talaga yung quality ng ano guys, ng 12. If I gotta do it, isa lang po ba kayo? Kambal ko po yan guys. Paki-follow po si Emmy, Lifestyle Emmy. Said I don't want to walk this. Hindi ba siya nagpi-feedback? Nakamute ako eh. Wait lang, asan ba yun? Say used to be my nervous. Now I'm getting nervous that my heart will never sing again. Oh, when we was running up the airwaves, you know it's from the Virgin Islands to Twin Emmy. See, we was on our way to the platinum and gold. Never thought that you'd go, but you did. Yeah, you did. Oh, baby, you left and said. Mukhang tanga. Ang daming Emmy, sino pa follow ko? Yung kambal ko. Trippy. Yes, sir, hello. And I don't wanna go, go. I don't wanna go, go. Hi, hello. I don't want to walk this earth if I gotta do it solo. Oh, I'm streaming my life. What phone gamit niyo po? For this phone, 12 Pro Max. And this one, 16 Pro Max. Yes, so, as mababan tayo, no? Bye! Nag-aantay lang po ako magbibigay ng Queen Emmy na gift, guys. Na-miss ko lang. Ayaw niyo po ba? Okay lang, para makapag-alam na tayo mababa, magpapaban po tayo. Ito po yung walang ma-content. Dito na malalaman kung nakakaban ba siya. Where to drop? Drop here. This is my host account. I mean, this is my account. Don't drop. Don't drop for this one, ha? Dito ba or dito? I'ma try to do the things that you drop to Emmy Love. Okay? It's your party, I just wanna play. Drop to Emmy Love, not Emmy. It's that thing that's got me like that. I'm trying to beat it up 12 rounds. Girl, I just... Oo nga, dapat palitan ko na pala yung name. Hindi ba maya?